He's just looking at me, wondering what I'm doing in his home. I'm not gonna move them because they'll spend their life wondering if you move them too far. Lost. They don't travel very far from their home. There's something over here moving in these leaves. Could be a snake. Could be a lizard. Let's hope it's a lizard. You're supposed to be able to tell how old they are based on the number of squares on their back. If anybody knows what these are, like what their actual name is, feel free to put it in the comments. We always just call them box turtles.